The water's brown, fish are dying, and trash is at the bottom of the sea. The air is so polluted with all the smoke, it's very hard to breathe. Do I hear mumbling? Mother Earth! Yes. So, hello, Pearl. E.g. Hello, Airy. E.g. So, what were you saying about the air? Well, my air is very filthy. It's very polluted with smoke. It's very hard to breathe. No, that won't do. And what about your waters? Well, they're brown and animals are dying at the bottom of the ocean. I do try to clean up, I do. Yeah, so I noticed that. I was trying to soak my vines in the water yesterday, but dead fish were at the bottom of the sea, and there were lots of trash in the ocean. That won't do either. Who has caused all of this trouble?
I did. Ha!
Fire. I should have knew it was you, Charcoal. And who is this you bring this upon us?
This is my new partner, Amber.
Hello, Amber. So, I can't believe you have caused us this trouble. Why would you do this to us?
It's my job. You. I made your air smoky and hard to breathe.
I'll fix it.
I burned your lands. I destroyed your waters.
You are so mean. But don't forget, the war has not begun yet.
Tomorrow,
5 o'clock sharp. Be there. So, we need to get as much rest as possible. Let our spirit shine through. I'll say a prayer tonight. E.g. Pearl. E.g. Airy. Let the sun shine through. Let the rain go clear. Let the waters stay the way they were before. And let the snow be white again, instead of that yucky brown. Alama, alama, ashanda lawe.
We will defeat them if they're not too scared to come.
Yes, we will. Who is not afraid to come? We always come, but we have something that you will never have, and that is spirit of dance
and peace.
Peace among us. We want all of us to be as one, so we will dance till we die. Defeated you. Not yet. We need to talk about something. Meet me here, 6 o'clock tomorrow at Fire's Cave.
Good.
I have to wash my new shirt.
If they come to the meeting, I will tell them the news. It is good news, of course. The news is that I will be joining them in a little cluster of good people.
Yes. Oh, so we're just a cluster of good people to you?
Yes.
What?
Sit.
I brought my new shirt. Stop laughing! Okay. So, what did you decide, young firewood?
I decided that me
And Amber.
Amber will join a cluster
Yes, we will.
of good ones.
Then I will be.
We will become
One, and we will
One.
become all.
and we will become all.
Then I have to grant you your wish. Take off this fire of rose, and I'll roast you with fire. Now we have to say the prayer. All for one.